Today, data is one of the most important things for any business. Think of it like a treasure map. Companies collect information about their customers, their sales, and how they operate every single day. This information, or data, helps them make better decisions. They can understand what customers want, find new ways to grow, and solve problems more quickly. Having skills to work with this data is incredibly valuable. It opens doors to many exciting jobs and careers. If you want to be part of this world, you need a good starting point, a way to show you understand the basics. The DP900 Microsoft Azure Data Fundamentals certification is that perfect first step. It is designed for people who are new to data and the cloud. You do not need to be a technical expert to start learning for this exam. It is an entry-level certification that proves you understand the core concepts of data and how they work within Microsoft's cloud platform, Azure. Think of it as learning the alphabet before you start writing stories. This certification gives you the foundational knowledge you will need for more advanced roles and certifications in the future. It is a signal to everyone that you are serious about a career in data. So who should think about getting this certification? The answer is almost anyone interested in data. If you are a student thinking about a tech career, this is a great place to start. If you are working in a non-technical role, like marketing or sales, and want to understand how your company uses data, this certification is for you. It is also perfect for IT professionals who want to move into a data-focused role, such as a database administrator or a data analyst. Even business leaders can benefit from it, as it helps them understand the language of their technical teams and make more informed, data-driven decisions for their organizations. Starting your journey with the DP900 certification is a smart choice because it builds a solid foundation. It does not just teach you about one specific tool, it teaches you the fundamental principles of data management. You will learn about the different types of data, how it is stored, and how it is processed. This knowledge is transferable across different technologies and platforms, not just Azure. By starting here, you are not just preparing for an exam. You are preparing for a long and successful career in the ever-growing field of data and cloud computing, setting yourself up for continuous learning and growth. A look at the DP900 topics. The first major area the exam covers is core data concepts. This is the absolute foundation of everything you will learn. This section teaches you what data actually is and the different forms it can take. You will learn about structured data, which is like information neatly organized in a table, and unstructured data, like emails or videos. It also introduces you to the different roles people have in the data world, such as data engineers, data analysts, and data scientists. Understanding these basic ideas is critical because they are the building blocks for everything else you will do with data in Azure or any other platform. Next, the exam dives into relational data in Azure. Relational data is the organized, structured data we just mentioned. Think of spreadsheets with rows and columns. In Azure, this type of data is managed using services like Azure SQL Database. This part of the curriculum will teach you about the key features of relational databases and how to work with them using a language called SQL, or Structured Query Language. You will learn the basics of how to ask the database for specific information. This skill is essential for many data jobs, as relational databases are extremely common in businesses all over the world. The third topic is non-relational data in Azure. Not all data fits neatly into tables. Think about social media posts, photos, or customer comments. This is non-relational or NoSQL data. Azure has powerful services to handle this type of information, like Azure Cosmos DB. In this section, you will learn why non-relational databases are important and when to use them. You will explore how they can store many different types of data without a fixed structure, which makes them very flexible and powerful for modern applications. This knowledge is key to understanding the full picture of data management in the cloud. Finally, the DP900 exam covers analytics workloads in Azure. Once you have all this data, what do you do with it? This section is all about turning raw data into valuable insights. You will learn about data analytics, which is the process of examining data to find trends and answer questions. The exam introduces you to powerful Azure services like Azure Synapse Analytics and Power BI. These tools help you process huge amounts of data and create reports and dashboards with charts and graphs. This is how businesses visualize their data to understand performance and make strategic decisions. When you are ready to start studying for the DP900 exam, there are many fantastic resources available, especially for beginners. The best place to start is the official Microsoft Learn platform. It has a free, self-paced learning path designed specifically for the DP900 exam. This path breaks down all the topics into easy-to-understand modules with text, videos, and short quizzes to check your knowledge. It is created by Microsoft, so you can be sure the information is accurate and directly relevant to what you will see on the test. It is a comprehensive and user-friendly way to build your foundational knowledge from the ground up. In addition to Microsoft Learn, watching video tutorials can be extremely helpful. Many creators on platforms like YouTube offer free in-depth courses on the DP900 certification. My own channel, John Saville's Technical Training, has a detailed study guide that walks you through every concept on the exam. These videos can help clarify complex topics and show you practical demonstrations within the Azure portal. Combining reading from Microsoft Learn with watching video explanations is a powerful study strategy. It helps you see and hear the concepts, which can make them much easier to remember and understand for the long term. Once you feel you have a good grasp of the material, taking practice exams is the next crucial step. There are several providers like WizLabs or MeasureUp that offer practice tests that simulate the real exam environment. These tests are not just for checking if you can pass. They are a learning tool. They help you get used to the question formats and the time pressure of the actual exam. More importantly, they show you which topics you are strong in and which ones you need to review more. Carefully read the explanations for any questions you get wrong to fill in your knowledge gaps. On the day of the exam, you should know what to expect. The DP900 exam typically consists of 40 to 60 questions, and you will have about 60 minutes to complete them. The questions come in different formats, including multiple choice, drag and drop, and case studies. You can take the exam at a certified testing center or online from your home or office, where a proctor will monitor you. Make sure you read each question carefully before answering. There is no penalty for guessing, so it is always best to answer every question, even if you are not completely sure. A little preparation on the format goes a long way. Earning the DP900 certification is a fantastic way to jumpstart your career in technology. One of the biggest benefits is that it validates your skills. It provides official proof from Microsoft that you understand the fundamental concepts of data and Azure. When you add this certification to your resume or LinkedIn profile, it immediately tells hiring managers and recruiters that you have a verified baseline of knowledge. This can make you stand out from other candidates who may have an interest in data, but no formal credential to back it up. It is a clear signal that you are committed and capable. Another major advantage is that the DP900 serves as a gateway to more advanced certifications and specialized career paths. After mastering the fundamentals, you can confidently move on to more role-based certifications, such as the DP203 for data engineering or the PL300 for Power BI data analysis. The knowledge you gain from the DP900 provides the context and vocabulary you need to succeed in these more difficult exams. It builds a logical learning path, preventing you from feeling overwhelmed by jumping straight into complex topics. It is the first step on a ladder that can lead to high-demand, high-paying jobs. The certification is not just about technical knowledge, it also boosts your confidence. For many people, the world of cloud computing and big data can seem intimidating. The DP900 exam is designed to be accessible, and passing it provides a huge sense of accomplishment. This success can motivate you to continue learning and tackling new challenges. It proves to yourself that you can learn these concepts and succeed in a technical field. This newfound confidence is invaluable as you continue to grow your skills and advance in your career, allowing you to speak more comfortably about data topics in meetings and interviews. If you are considering your first step into the world of data with Azure, my advice is simple: just start. Do not wait until you feel like you are an expert. The entire purpose of the DP900 is to guide beginners. Use the free Microsoft Learn resources, watch some videos, and schedule your exam. The journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step, and for a career in data and the cloud, the DP900 is that perfect first step. It will open doors, build your confidence, and set you on a path to an exciting and rewarding future. Embrace the learning process, and you will be amazed at what you can achieve.